Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending from where you're watching from. I want to show you how you can perform exchanges arbitrage and make money to yourself. Please, you need to follow this video, learn from this channel because I post videos like this every single day so that you also learn how to spot out this arbitrage by yourself without even looking for a help from anyone. Okay, so if you have been following me on this channel, you know I talk about arbitrage a lot. I show what I do and how to get about it. Okay, so today we want to focus on CELT coin. You want to do CELT arbitrage. I just put out this arbitrage, and please, I'm going to show you what you need to do before you enter into this arbitrage, because arbitrage is very difficult. If you don't know what you are doing, you can easily lose money when it comes to arbitrage, and you can easily make money doing it. The good thing here is arbitrage is less risky compared to trading, future trading and involving in meme coins that will rock. But with this arbitrage, you can actually do your own demo practice before you invest your money. There are things you need to do first in the demo. When you are doing there are things you need to look out first when you are doing demo practice before you now invest your real money. Number one is checking the volume of volatility, or some people call it liquidity, because when there is enough assets in the market, you can actually make money from arbitrage like this. So first of all, you need to click on these two places you are seeing, these two candles here. So and you see, coming down here, there's no much liquidity. So if person like me, I might decide to leave this arbitrage or do it, but I'm just doing this for the purpose of this video. So I'm not saying you should go and buy this coin because there's no much liquidity here. Okay, so let's go back. So but you can see the price here. You can see, another thing I want to show you is the difference here, this red and this green. This red are people who wants to sell to you, and if you are buying from here, you are buying from these red people. If when you are using market order, if you are buying with market order, you are buying automatically from these red people, and you can see their price is quite higher compared to the current market price here. So if you are selling to these people on green. So in this case, if you come across this kind of arbitrage, since the current market price is not as the same as people who you want to buy from, which people am I talking about? These people on red. What you need to do is you set on limit. Don't use market order, since the price is the current market price here you are seeing on black here is not the same as this one on red. What you need to do is you set your own limit order, like these people are doing. You can see, like this screen, there are people who want to buy and they have set their own price at the price they want. They have set their price they want to buy. So what you need to do is just to come also set your own price at this current market price. You can set it, let me say, okay, set it at this current market price, and let's do this arbitrage with 100 USDT. So if you are doing this, if you set your price that you want to buy and you set the limit to be 0.0000541, as you have seen below. So what you need to do is you set the amount you want to buy, let's say 100 USDT. When you set 100 USDT, you are going to receive 1983733 worth of CELT coin. So after having this, another thing you need to do is you go to assets. But before you do everything, you need to check the network you are transferring to, you need to check the fee, you need to check if deposit is available or withdrawal is available. Okay, so after everything, you now come down here to withdraw. After you must have purchased the coin, you now come to withdraw. Click on search for self. I've searched for it already. You click on on-chain withdrawals, you can see, take note of this local. The exchange I'm using, the two exchanges involved in this arbitrage is get.io and Mexi. I bought from get.io and I now sell on Mexi. So coming here, I will now click on coming to Mexi. Since I want to send the money from get.io to Mexi, I will now click on deposit here. Once I click on deposit, I click on CELT. You can see the network address here is OKT, is the same as the other one. So let's go back. So after, assuming you copied, you now paste it here. You now paste the address there. Once you paste the address there, you now select the network. You can see this in get.io is actually supporting Ethereum and OKT wallet. So we are going to use this one, OKT. Now click on it. Once you select it, you now click on how much do you want to withdraw to your Mexi. Is 19837333733. Okay, so if we are sending this amount of CELT to Mexi, we are going to receive this amount you are seeing below here, which is 1971973814.33. So let's go to our Mexi and see if we are going to make profit from this arbitrage. Okay, make sure you are operating on limit order, because the market is actually working on limit order right now because there is no much liquidity or volume there. So let's click on here and let's insert the amount we receive in our Mexi. Assuming we receive 19,73814, you can see we make a profit of $9 with our 100 USDT. Then let me show you the tricks here. Let me explain something here. Please listen very well. On get.io, the price here, the current price was, is it 0.000500 something, while on MXC the price is 0.00055 some 73. Then you can see that we have made a $9 profit after removing the fee and everything. We have made a profit, but this only work on limit order. It's not market order. What is limit order? Limit order is placing an order of a price you want to buy. Like, okay, for instance, you say when this price gets to $10, I'm going to buy it, or when this price exceeds $10, I'm going to buy it. Then market order is you want to buy the at a current price immediately. So when you are coming to this average, you need to take note on when you are buying on market order and when you are buying on limit order. So that's just the simple thing about it. Arbitrage is very, very sweet to do, and it's very complicated if you don't know what you are doing. Okay, so you can come here if at all you bought from get.io, and you can come here and sell it on market order. Why am I saying you should sell it on market order? Because the buyers here and the sellers here are actually selling at the current market price. You can use you can sell it to them directly immediately, because this is in this kind of market you can actually use market order, because check the current market price is almost the same as the buyer and the seller, so you can sell it here quickly. But on get.io you need to use limit order. Then getting here you can sell it quickly and go back and do your arbitrage. So let's click on liquidity here and see what is. You can see they have about 58,000 USDT and about 993.7 million CELT, which is there is enough liquidity here for you to sell your coin and still repeat your arbitrage. So we have made a profit of $9. Let's go to our calculator and see how much we will make if we try this like 5 times. Let's say 9 times 5, you make $45. Or let me say you try this like 3 times. 9 times 3, 27. Then if you try this 27 times, let me say in a week you make approximately $189, which is actually something. So if you get value from this kind of video, please do well to like and share. Thank you. Don't forget to turn on the notification button and also subscribe to my channel.